Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to prompt using Liveportrait. In order to do so, first off you want to go to liveportrait.app, and once you're there you should be met with a screen similar to this. The answer to the question about prompting for Liveportrait is that Liveportrait doesn't handle prompts the same way that other generators do. In this case, what you're going to want to do is you're going to bring in a source portrait and then you're going to bring in a driving video. You can either use the examples that they have here for the driving video, or you can even access your webcam by clicking this icon here, and then you can access the webcam. We'll go ahead and just use the examples that they have provided. So here we'll bring in the Mona Lisa, and then here we're going to bring in this gentleman, and we'll just give you an idea there of the source or the driving video and then what that is going to do over here on the left hand side. Now from here, this was a bit tricky. If you want to actually trigger this, then you're going to need to click these arrows here, and that will bring up the option here to animate, and you're going to go ahead and click that. Because we are using a free version, we are unable to actually proceed with the animation, but this is just to give you an idea of how this functions. So you click animate and then it will begin to work. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.